Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common CMake issue on Windows. We'll explore why the CMake_lang_ compiler variable might not be set. This often happens even after enabling a specific language. Let's understand the reasons and find solutions. This will prevent headaches in your CMake projects. First, let's discuss the problem. CMake relies on environment variables and the system's path to find compilers. If CMake can't locate a suitable compiler, it won't set the CMake_lang_ compiler variable. This variable is crucial. It tells CMake which compiler to use for a specific language like C++ or Fortran. Without it, compilation will fail. Now, let's look at common causes. 1. Compiler not installed or not in path. Ensure your compiler is properly installed. This includes the C++ compiler, like MSVC, CMake GUI, or Clang. Check that the compiler's directory is added to your system's path environment variable. CMake searches the path for executable files. If it's missing, CMake won't find the compiler. 2. Visual Studio issues. If using Visual Studio, make sure the correct Visual Studio generator is selected in CMake. Using the wrong generator can lead to CMake not finding the MSVC compiler. Also, verify that the Visual Studio workload for C++ development is installed. This workload contains the necessary compilers and tools. 3. CMake cache. Sometimes, Make's cache can cause problems. Old or incorrect cache entries can prevent CMake from properly detecting the compiler. Try deleting the CMakeCache.txt file and rerunning CMake. This forces CMake to re-evaluate the system and search for compilers. For incorrect CMake syntax, double-check your CMakeLists.txt file. Ensure you're using the project command to enable the language correctly. For example, my project language is CXX, enable C++. Also, review any custom toolchain files you might be using. Incorrect settings in the toolchain can prevent CMake from finding the compiler. Here are some troubleshooting steps. Open a command prompt. Type /CL. If using MSVC, this command should return the path to the CLEXE compiler. If it doesn't, your path is not set up correctly. For CMake GUI or other compilers, use the appropriate command. Manually set CMake_lang_ compiler. You can explicitly set this variable in your CMakeLists.txt file or using the CMake GUI. This bypasses CMake's auto-detection. However, this is generally a last resort. It's better to fix the underlying issue with the path or compiler installation. Consider using a CMake GUI tool like CMake Setup with a CMake extension in VS Code. These tools offer a user-friendly interface for configuring CMake and diagnosing problems. They can often provide more informative error messages. Remember, CMake is a powerful tool, but it requires careful configuration. By understanding these common issues and solutions, you can avoid the CMake_lang_ compiler not set error and build your projects successfully. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Consider supporting the channel through Patreon or other means. Your support helps us create more content like this.